Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
Today, you're going to learn the complete difference between Wave and ZipBooks, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly which accounting software is best suited to your needs. We're going to start with pricing for both platforms based on the plans displayed on the screen, then move on to features, pros and cons, Google ratings, and finally the complete takeaway. Wave currently offers two pricing tiers, the Starter Plan and the Pro Plan. The Starter Plan is completely free and includes unlimited estimates, invoices, bills, and bookkeeping records. You can accept online payments with standard processing fees of 2.9% plus 60 cents per credit card transaction and 3.4% plus 60 cents for American Express payments. You also get the ability to invoice on the go using their mobile app and manage your cash flow and customers in one simple dashboard. Wave also offers a Pro Plan, which normally costs $19 per month, but is currently available for $9.50 per month for the first 3 months with the discount code shown on the page. The Pro Plan includes discounted online payment rates, automatic bank transaction imports, auto-merging and auto-categorizing expenses, unlimited digital receipt capture, and automated late payment reminders. It is designed for users who want more automation and a more polished workflow. Now let's move directly into the pricing for ZipBooks. ZipBooks offers 4 plans: Starter, Smarter, Sophisticated, and Accountant. The Starter Plan is completely free and includes unlimited invoices, unlimited vendors and customers, acceptance of digital payments through Square or PayPal, basic reporting, and the ability to connect one bank account. The Smarter Plan costs $15 per month and adds recurring invoices with auto bill, automated reminders, saved invoice line items, support for connecting multiple bank accounts, account notifications, time tracking, and the ability to add up to 5 team members. The Sophisticated Plan costs $35 per month and includes everything in the Smarter Plan, plus smart tagging for organizing books by project, location, or category, full bank reconciliation, locked books, secure document sharing, advanced reporting, unlimited team members, and deeper financial insights. The Accountant Plan is built for firms that manage multiple clients and need more advanced bookkeeping capabilities. Now that the pricing is clear for both, let's take a look at the features starting with Wave. Wave provides unlimited invoicing at no cost, letting you customize templates, add payment buttons, send reminders, and track invoice activity. You can also create estimates and convert them into invoices instantly. For bookkeeping, Wave connects to your bank accounts, so transactions import automatically. You can categorize expenses, attach receipts, and generate essential accounting reports, including profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statements. With the Pro Plan, you also gain automatic receipt scanning, improved transaction automation, and more streamlined categorization. Wave includes a mobile app for invoicing, though not for full accounting. The interface is extremely simple and user-friendly, making Wave an excellent option for beginners or freelancers who want clean, uncomplicated bookkeeping. Wave has several strengths. It is incredibly affordable with a generous free plan. It offers unlimited invoices, and it includes the essential tools needed by freelancers and small service-based businesses, but it also has limitations. Support for free users is limited. Some users experience occasional bank syncing issues, the mobile experience is limited to invoicing only, and integrations are not as extensive as those found in larger accounting tools. Now let's discuss the features of ZipBooks. ZipBooks offers a more modern and polished interface compared to Wave, with a dashboard that highlights insights about your income, expenses, and overall financial performance. Unlimited invoicing is available in all plans, and ZipBooks enhances this with smart features like follow-up reminders, overdue alerts, and automated billing. For bookkeeping, ZipBooks automatically imports transactions, categorizes them accurately, and supports flexible tagging, making it easier to organize expenses by project or category. ZipBooks also provides strong reporting tools, especially in the paid plans, where you gain access to project-based profit tracking, detailed analytics, and smart recommendations. Time tracking is included on the Smarter plan and higher, and the sophisticated plan adds advanced tools such as smart tagging, reconciliation, document sharing, and deeper financial insights. ZipBooks does not offer payroll, and the mobile app is available only for iOS users. ZipBooks has its strengths as well. It offers a modern user interface, powerful automation, smart categorization, unlimited invoicing, and advanced reporting at affordable price points. But the free plan is more limited than Wave's. There is no payroll capability, integrations are fewer, and Android users will have to rely on the web version. Now let's take a look at Google ratings for both platforms. Wave has a Google rating of approximately 4.6 out of 5 stars. Users praise Wave for being free, simple, and ideal for freelancers and small businesses. The negative ratings typically mention slow customer support and occasional issues syncing with bank accounts. ZipBooks has a Google rating of around 4.8 out of 5 stars. Users frequently mention the clean interface, strong reporting tools, and ease of use. Some comments mention that the free plan is limited and that integrations could be expanded, but overall satisfaction remains high. So here's the final takeaway. Choose Wave if you want the best free accounting solution with unlimited invoicing, simple bookkeeping, and optional upgrades for automation. It's ideal for freelancers, solo entrepreneurs, and small businesses keeping their costs low. Choose ZipBooks if you want stronger automation, deeper reporting, smart categorization, and a more modern interface, even if it requires a small monthly fee. It's perfect for service-based businesses, agencies, and users who want more insight and organization in their financial management. Ultimately, your choice will depend on whether you prioritize free simplicity with Wave or enhanced automation and reporting with ZipBooks.